High winds, flooding, and power outages are all prime examples of what could affect your family this hurricane season. Are you truly prepared to ride out a storm at home? If so, it's essential to take specific safety measures when disaster strikes. Hi, I'm Marjorie-Anna Willman, Executive Director of Louisiana Housing Corporation. Today I'm here with Louisiana State Fire Marshal, Deputy Chief of Operations, Nick Heinen, to discuss generator safety.
In preparation for hurricane season, you may consider purchasing a home standby generator to keep your home powered up if electricity goes down. But you and your family must consider all of the risk factors to ensure your safety.
During the aftermath of Hurricane Ida, the Louisiana Department of Health reported 6 deaths and more than 140 were hospitalized due to carbon monoxide poisoning.
Carbon monoxide is called the invisible killer because it is an odorless, colorless gas created when fuels such as gasoline, propane, natural gas, coal, oil, or methane burn incompletely. This can put you and your family in danger if a generator is improperly used near your home.
If you plan to use a portable generator, a good rule of thumb is to make sure your generator is in an open, outside area at least 20 feet away from all doors, windows, and venting openings.
This includes never using a generator in an attached garage, even if you have the door raised. Exhaust fumes can enter through any opening in windows, doors, and attic access points. The best option is to make sure fumes are directed away from the building.
Another must is a carbon monoxide alarm. Install it in a central location outside each sleeping area and on every level of your home.
If you're using a home standby generator, please make sure to give it a break or 2 per day if it's running non-stop during an extended power outage. And during those breaks, open doors and windows to allow any unknown CO buildup in your home to clear out.
These tips are crucial for your family and home this hurricane season. Remember, preparation is key, but safety is always a must.
If you have any questions or concerns, you can always contact the Louisiana Office of State Fire Marshal or your local fire department. Stay safe, Louisiana.